The solution of this equation was discovered. We know that this equation doesn't have roots in real numbers. Mathematicians define complex numbers where we have I as an imaginary part. I is the solution of this equation. Actually, we have I square is equal to minus 1. Complex numbers are formed as follows: a plus bi. A is a real part and bi is imaginary part. For example, 2 plus 6i. Remember that a and b come from real numbers, but a plus bi is a complex number. Complex numbers are represented by c. In fact, c is the union of real numbers and I. Naturally, we must define the plus operator in this space like all the space we know. So we have a plus bi plus c plus di is equal to a plus c plus b plus di. The outcome has real part and imaginary part. Real part come from real parts of two complex numbers. Similarly, imaginary part. For example, 2 plus 6i plus 3 plus 8i is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8i is equal to 5 plus 14i. What about the product of two complex numbers? I would like to calculate this. I product one by one. A product by C, A product by DI, BI product by C, BI product by DI. I already know I squared is equal to minus 1. So I finally have this. AC minus BD plus AD plus BCI. AC minus BD is the real part and AD plus BCI is imaginary part. So now you can calculate 2 plus 6i product by 3 plus 8i. Now you know complex numbers and the solution of this equation, and the root is I.